In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make the Lenovo Tab P12 shut down at a specific time. So to do this, swipe up from your home screen to reveal all your apps and scroll down and look for the settings icon, which will be under the letter S, so select settings. Then focus on the left-hand side of the menu and scroll down towards the bottom, and you want to select general settings. And then from this menu, you can see there's an option here called schedule power on/off. So select that. So there are two options. The top option is the power on and the bottom option is the power off. You can either select either one or both at the same time. So I'm going to choose the bottom option. So put the slider across until it goes blue. So there's two options. You can choose the time and you can choose how many times it gets repeated. So for example, if you want it just once, choose only once. If you want it to happen every day, choose every day. As for the time, tap on the time and you get a clock. So the top numbers go from 1 a.m. in the morning all the way around till midday. And the bottom numbers go from 1300 all the way around up until midnight. So for example, if I want to choose 1:30 in the morning, choose the top option, choose 1, then release, then choose the minutes, 30, then click OK, and that's then is designed to shut off at 1:30 in the morning. If you want to adjust the time, select the time again, and you can choose the numbers, either the hour or the minutes, just like that. So this time, let's choose 3:45, so that's 3:45 a.m. in the morning, just like that. And if you want to input the time manually, again, select the time and select this little icon down here, and you can input the numbers manually and click OK, and you're good to go. And once the time does come around, you'll get a warning on the screen saying this device is going to shut down in 60 seconds, and you can choose to either stop it or let it shut down. So that's it. Thanks for watching.